Welcome. This is a maiden flight for a Depron cartoon warbird. It's my own design called the Butch Bird. There she is, obviously loosely based on a Focke-Wulf 190 Butcher Bird. And as I say, this is the maiden flight, so we're going to give it a go. I'll come back in a minute. Right. So, I'm not going to complain about the sun, but it is quite low and it's very strong. So, anyway, we shall see how it goes. Not very well. I didn't get my hand on the sticks quick enough. Oops. Get out of the grass. Okay. She's rolling left, so give her a bit of right. Better. Ah. Well, it flies, look at that. My God. Flies really well. Not bad for an own design. CFG's about right. Let's just try a right turn. Let's get a bit of height. Not too far because I've got no colours on it, so it's going to disappear. About speed. Oh yeah, she's quite quick. So come through and let's do a roll. Oh, very nice. Very nice.
6 minutes.
Loop. Oh, sorry, wing over. Get your wings level, Ron. Loop. That's not bad. Okay, let's take her up. Now, I'm going to be a bit far away from the camera, but I want to take it up for a glide. Okay, and the power off. Stick back. Benign stall. Yeah, not too bad at all. So that's on low rates. Let's try on medium rates. Yeah, obviously a faster roll, which means on high rates it's going to be bananas. You know what, this is quite good.
5 minutes.
Need to put the cowl on it next. This on a 7x6 prop. It's a 3S 1300. It does look a bit like a Focke-Wulf, which is good. Let's do a flyby. I like this. Very well behaved. That initial hand launch may well have been a bit of torque roll. as long as you know that, you can adjust or compensate for it. Oh, let's try a stall, see what she's like. Power off into the wind, pulling the nose up, pulling the nose up. Nose up, yeah, that's not bad at all. Let's try that on higher rates. Yeah, a lot higher the rate. Yeah, it's much too high rates there. Just more or less uncontrollable. So rates I need to review. There are big old ailerons on this. So it's gonna react very quickly to the aileron sticks. So that's on low rates. If I put it on medium rates now, yeah, it's nice. Yes, that's really about as much as you want to go, I would say, unless you're brave. Let's go brave. Yeah, oh yes. No, we don't want to do that. Yeah, that was fairly mental. Okay, let's bring her in. Go around again, Ron. Oh, I reckon I've got a winner there. Hey, the Butch Bird. There she is, in all her glory. Let's have one against the setting sun. That's nice. Yeah, so with the ring cowl on it, which comes out to about there, it's gonna look pretty good. Well pleased with that. Good.